With the rapid growth of the cryptocurrency world, arbitrage bots have become a popular tool to optimize trades and maximize profits. In this article, we will compare the top 6 arbitrage bots to help you make informed decisions when choosing a service that suits your needs. Warm greetings to all loyal followers of the cryptocurrency world. You are amazing! Today, we will discuss something that cannot be overlooked by cryptocurrency traders, namely arbitrage applications, and how crucial their role is in digital trading. For those who are new, don't worry, we will answer those questions in detail. Welcome back, loyal viewers of Janu Crypto Channel. Alright, let's begin our journey into the world of the best crypto arbitrage applications on the JanuCC channel.
One, ArbitrageScanner, shaking up the crypto arbitrage world.
Now, let's focus on the first on popular list, ArbitrageScanner. It's not just an application, it's more than that. It's a tool that can enhance the efficiency of your cryptocurrency trades. Reputation 910. With a strong reputation and an experienced community, ArbitrageScanner receives a high rating. Users praise the service for its performance and its ability to reduce risks. B. Functionality 1010. Leading in functionality, ArbitrageScanner offers an efficient scanner, sophisticated filters, and support for DEX exchanges. C. Reliability 910. With a solid track record, ArbitrageScanner provides high reliability in executing its arbitrage operations.
2. 3 commands, a combination of automated trading and capital reliability.
Now, let's move on to the next service on our list, 3 commands. The service generally has positive feedback, although there are some cases of user fund losses. It's essential to remember that reliability is key in the world of arbitrage, and we will see how 3 commands competes in this aspect. Reputation 710. Despite some complaints about fund losses, 3 commands remain solid with a good reputation in the market. B. Functionality 610. Suitable for trading with different strategies, but limited in arbitrage compared to its competitors. C. Capital Reliability 810. Despite the risks, 3 commands is considered one of the best in maintaining user capital reliability.
3. BitsGap, user-friendly interface and sufficient functionality.
Next on popular list is BitsGap. Let's look at its reputation, with a rating of 710. Some user complaints about fund losses may influence perception of this service. It's crucial always to consider user experience before deciding to use a service. Reputation 710. With mixed reviews, BitsGap gets a middle rating with some complaints about fund losses. B. Functionality 510. Although offering arbitrage bots, BitsGap has limitations in its functionality, especially in DEX trading. C. Reliability 1010. High reliability is BitsGap's strength, with no need for API access that could pose security risks.
4. P2P Army, choice for P2P enthusiasts.
Next, let's discuss P2P Army, and let's start with its reputation. The service gets a rating of 810, with mostly positive feedback. However, some users complain about difficulty finding liquid pairs. Good reputation is a valuable asset, but we always need to consider every aspect of the user experience before making a decision. Reputation 810. With a good reputation, P2P Army remains a choice for some users, although there are complaints about difficulty finding liquid pairs. B. Functionality 510. Limited to the 4 most popular exchanges, P2P Army is more suitable for P2P arbitrage than conventional arbitrage. C. Reliability 1010. High reliability without requiring API access makes P2P Army a reliable choice.
5. CryptoHopper, feature-rich, but watch out for reputation.
Next, let's discuss CryptoHopper, starting with its reputation. Unfortunately, CryptoHopper receives a low reputation rating of 5.10, with many complaints about user fund losses. Reputation is a crucial aspect to consider before choosing a platform. We need to thoroughly understand the risks and benefits involved. Reputation 5.10. CryptoHopper receives a low rating in reputation due to complaints about poor customer support and bot performance delays. B. Functionality 6.10. Although feature-rich, CryptoHopper lags in its arbitrage capabilities, especially in DEX trading. C. Reliability 6.10. Incidents of fund losses affect the reliability of CryptoHopper, although it's unclear whether it's directly related to the bot or not.
6. Traality, Python bot with considerable weaknesses.
Reputation 7.10. Traality's reputation is quite good, although there are some complaints about performance delays and doubts about reliability. B. Functionality 5.10. As a Python-based bot, Traality has basic functionality and is limited in supported exchange trading. C. Reliability 5.10. The required API access and lack of transparency raise questions about Traality's reliability. Conclusion: the choice is yours. In summary, ArbitrageScanner leads with an overall rating of 9.4210, followed by 3 comments, Bitsgap, and P2P Army. CryptoHopper closes the list with an overall rating of 5.6710. Looking at the comparison of these 6 arbitrage bots, the choice is undoubtedly yours. ArbitrageScanner excels in functionality and reliability, while each bot has its strengths and weaknesses. Consider your needs and preferences before choosing a bot that aligns with your crypto trading strategy. As a reminder, before using arbitrage services, conduct thorough research and only use funds you are willing to lose. Security and understanding the risks are crucial. The information I provide is general information and is not sponsored by any party. Thank you to everyone who has watched this video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency content. Give a thumbs up if you find this content helpful, and activate the notification bell for the latest updates. See you in the next video, and stay connected with the cryptocurrency world with Janu Crypto Channel. Thank you, and happy trading. Bye.